back from the dead.
Welcome to the new tutorial. In this video we'll see the crank window. As usual, the options explored in the first video will be presented with music and accelerated reading. But we will stop by the specific options to the crank window. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Now let us look at settings specific to the crank window. We have a choice between 1 casement, or 2 or 3 or 4. Click the meter icon to impose values to the dimensions lines presented in the image. By default, click window proposes equal widths. To change this, simply click on A is equal to F. Now click on the arrows to define the dimensions of A and B. Take this opportunity to see hardware stores. We have 2 choices. The first offers a traditional crank, while option 2 offers a more contemporary model with a built handle. Multi-point locking is also available, of which you can customize the material. Now click on the window frame to apply the latest changes. We will now see the one-click functions available with the crank window. We begin by masking the mutants with a single click. This feature is available for all categories of Windows and the Pro version of Click Window. You can also hide the cranks in the lock by clicking the glass. Your casement also becomes a fixed frame. As the control panel is set to the first window, we cannot use the one-click functions on the outside window in the current state. Otherwise, their size will automatically change to follow the settings of the control panel. To avoid this error, we will delete the dimensional link in the personal settings of each window. First, select the 2 windows. Then in the Dynamic Components toolbar, click the icon called Components option. Go to the Dimensions attribute to choose the option value below. Then enter the dimensions for the height and width to cut the link with the control panel. Finally, impose the type of casement and click Apply. But be careful using this window, because it requires the presence of the control panel on your scene. We can now safely discover the final one-click function, specific to the crank window. By clicking on the multipoint lock, the window automatically changes its opening direction. That will be all for the crank window settings. We invite you to test all other options such as adding a sill, the type of glass, and applying decorative casings. If you like this video, please click like. Do not miss out on our latest news by subscribing to our YouTube channel. See you soon.
Back from the dead.